What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're doing something different. We're gonna go check out a truck. We already here. We're already at my homeboy's house. Y'all know him, the one that did the 2020 short bed conversion. He's doing another project. I'm gonna tear it down for him, but we're gonna check it out right now. But it's raining, so we're gonna chill for a little bit and we're gonna get at it. It's simple, guys. We just gotta tear it down. That's it. I don't know what's all he's doing to it, but supposedly it's like a whole restoration. But I'll show you the truck right now. Okay, guys, so before we start, I want to take a little second and thank everybody that's been subscribing, that's been sharing my videos. I know there's been a lot of truck meets and the Colorado madness and all that stuff. But we're gonna get back into messing with the trucks, building the trucks. Right now we're riding the Ford, guys, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the Ford. I'm probably gonna sell it because I kind of miss the Trailblazer. I haven't really drove the Trailblazer at all. It's at my dad's house. A lot of y'all have been asking where is it at, and it's at my dad's house. It's at a safe place. They don't have to be on the side of the road where I had it anymore. But I've been driving the Ford, guys. The Ford's a trooper, no problems whatsoever at all. Cold AC, she's good. Other than the seats, guys, is the only thing I don't like, the seats. But if anything, guys, if I decide to keep it, or if it don't sell or whatever, that's the main thing. I'm gonna change the seat and the steering wheel. The steering wheel is junk and the seats are trash. But other than that, the dashboard's complete. Door panels are, they're okay. But we see what happens, guys. Hopefully right now this rain stops. I doubt it. I don't know how long it's gonna rain. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you the truck, and I guess get started. Alright, guys, so pretty much what we're gonna be doing with this truck, or my homeboy's gonna be doing to this truck, it's a full restoration, supposedly. I'm not sure how far that's gonna go, but right now the plans are to loosen up the bed, loosen up the cab, remove the whole front end, and we'll go from there. So if I'm not mistaken, guys, this is a 96 model Silverado Cheyenne, and it doesn't have a motor, but it's pretty much complete. It looks pretty solid. Looks like the suspension never been messed with. Got some little rally wheels. It's weird, you don't really find these no more with the ring. I guess no back bumper, I'm not sure. Has some carpet, I'm pretty sure that's trash. My other homeboy, when they were moving it and shit, I think he broke that, I'm not sure. But she's all right. 96 dash. Back windows blown out. Headliner trash. What else? No seats. Just that bench seat. But we're gonna get to it, guys, and we're gonna remove this front end. We're gonna remove the whole grill, the grill, the little lip, the bumper, both fenders and hood. And we're gonna leave the cab sitting there, but we're just gonna loosen it up, and we're gonna loosen up the bed. It's gonna stay there too. My homeboy's gonna be taking this truck to one of our other homeboys, and they're gonna be doing the frame over there. I think he's gonna powder coat it. I'm not sure what all he's gonna do, but let's get started, guys, on removing this front. All right, guys, so we barely started. I got the grill off and the trim, and man, it's raining. It's raining, but I'm gonna try to take off at least the front bumper. I don't got my big impact, so I gotta break them by hand. Then I'm gonna hit them with the impact. It's all good, it's all gravy. Bumpers off. Man, it's coming, guys, it's coming. I want to jump to the hood, and then after that it's just the fenders. Fender shouldn't be that hard to come off, but man, I think it's coming hard. So I think I'm gonna chill for a little bit. I'm gonna text my boy, see what he wants to do, and we'll go from there, guys. But yeah, it's coming. All right, guys, so pretty much yesterday it started raining, and I couldn't continue working on the single cab, on the red single cab, but we're out here today, and I already have the hood and the fender off. I'm working on the passenger fender. I'll knock that shit out real quick, and then we're gonna go home and we're gonna do something to the Ford, guys. I got something for the Ford, real cheap. It's gonna change the look real good. So I'm gonna knock this out, guys. I'm gonna show you what I got so far, and then I'm gonna knock this out, and we're gonna head home, chill for a little bit, throw on what I got for the Ford, and we'll go from there. But let me go ahead and show you what I have so far. So there she is, guys. Hood off, driver fender off. My homeboy said just to take the fender off, leave everything here. So ahí está, it's there. We're gonna be, I already started taking this off. Already got that bolt, got the bolt from there, from up there. Got a couple on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Then I'm gonna jump to the cab, loosen up the cab, and if I have enough time, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bed. I don't think I have an extension for the bed, so we're gonna go ahead and knock out this front and see if I have the big bolt for the cabs. I mean the big socket for the cab. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get it done, guys, and I'll catch you on a little bit. All right, guys, so I got everything off, the front, hood, fender, grill, bumper, all that good stuff. I loosened up the cab already. I need to get an extension to do the bed, and that's pretty much it, guys. For right now. They're gonna take it somewhere. My homeboy's gonna take it somewhere with my other homeboy, and they're gonna fucking do the frame. They're gonna do the frame. They're gonna powder coat it. I don't know what they're gonna do. Sandblast. I really don't know. I know he said he was gonna do new control arms, new everything up in front, and he's probably gonna do the same thing in the rear. So if y'all want to see more of this project, guys, y'all let me know. Y'all drop a like, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more on this project, and you know, we'll record some more. But for right now, guys, we're gonna go home and we're gonna put something on the Ford, hopefully it looks good, hopefully y'all like it, but let's get going. All right guys, so we made it home, and I told you that I was gonna show you what really I told you we were gonna throw it on, guys, but I don't got no time right now. But I want to show y'all what I got for the Ford. And we picked up this cowl hood, guys. It needs a little bit of work. It got some damage right there. I really don't know if it's an overlay or I don't know. I really don't know, guys. But I got this real cheap, dirt cheap, guys. I got it for $100, and shit, for $100, I can't complain. There's like a $10 cord, so really, I got it for $90, and we're gonna be throwing it on the Ford, guys. Hopefully, it looks good. I'm not a big fan of these right here, but I don't know. My homeboy was telling me maybe we could cover them, you know, delete them or whatever. But shit, for $100, can't go wrong with it. It's gonna change up the look. It's gonna look a little bit more aggressive. So what can I say? All right guys, so with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. And I want to take 1 second again, guys, and thank all of you that have been following me and sharing. For some reason, guys, my videos have been slowing down. I'm gonna be working on that, but don't forget, guys, God is good, and y'all keep pushing. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you on the next one. And if you enjoy this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. There's a lot more coming, guys, like I've been saying, and it's been coming, and there's gonna be content after content coming, guys. There's something coming up big, so if you want to stick around and check that out, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But I'll go ahead and leave you with that.